One thing many RVers forget is to exercise your generator. I know it sounds kind of funny, exercise your generator, but what that means is at least once a month you should start up your generator and let it run under load for an hour. It keeps everything moving and circulating in the generator, gets the oil moving around. It's just a good practice to do so it doesn't fail when you really need it sometime. So it's just a matter of coming in and starting it. You should run your generator under load. In other words, there should be something drawing power out. And the one I have found always better is to use this. This is a little ceramic heater. It takes about 1,500 watts. And so I will put that on, and I'll put it on at its maximum speed and let that run while the generator is running, and this keeps everything moving well in the generator. Exercise your generator. I'm Mike. Hope this quick tip helps.